Step into a universe where your imagination becomes reality with Higgsfield AI World. Forget limitations. Higgsfield AI World empowers you to sculpt breathtaking environments from the ground up. Start by shaping your terrain. Easily sculpt mountains, carve valleys, and paint diverse biomes with intuitive brush tools. Watch as the AI intelligently generates realistic textures, from verdant grasslands to barren rocky outcrops, all at your command. But it's not just about landscapes. It's about bringing them to life. Populate your world with captivating, interactive elements. Imagine placing a fantastical creature that reacts to your presence, or a hidden pathway that reveals a secret chamber when activated. Engage your visitors by creating dynamic experiences. Design intricate quests, build interactive puzzles, or set the stage for unparalleled virtual tourism. Guide users through your creations, allowing them to explore, discover, and connect with your world in ways never before possible. Whether you dream of building a virtual theme park, crafting a compelling narrative, or offering a new dimension to travel, Higgsfield AI World is your canvas. Unlock the potential, create, explore, experience. This is Higgsfield AI World.